So, today lesson po ay ang mga object particles, will and rule, yun yung at saka at. We have the only, man, also, as to, than, as, poda, instead of deshin. Ang ating nakuhang object ay paji rule ay pants, paji man, pants only, paji to, pants also, paji poda, than pants, paji deshin, instead of pants. Meron tayong verb ng if, that, were sa mga katawan. I-past tense ho natin, it become ibosoyo, were. Ang ating adjective ay pisada. Pag kinonjugate po as present, pisayo. Sentence, pajirul ibosoyo, I wore a pants. Pajiman ibosoyo, I only wore pants. Paji to ibosoyo, I also wore pants. 바지보다 가방은 비싸요. The bag is expensive than pants. And last, 바지 대신 치마를 입었어요. Wore skirt instead of pants. 감사합니다.